my name is Katka Dula. I am an international student living in London right now. My tongue is like, it's a tongue twister anyways. So it is a really spontaneous plan. Me and my friends will decided to go visit the lightings. There's some lightings happening in Central right now and I have no clue what that is. But we are going, being unaware of the plan, what that is, where we are heading to. But yeah, I'm definitely so sure that it's going to be so much fun. We just have an hour and just look at my hair, it's so bad and everything. So I am just preparing some meal for myself. It's 1:30 right now and we are leaving in an hour. And I'm so afraid because khana bhi nahi khaya and I have to do a lot of preparations, cleaning my room and everything. So let's get going. Since I have missed my breakfast like I always do, during lunchtime I am having milk and cornflakes because that is the best thing to do for to fill me up like real quick, and then I will make sure to make some meal for me before we leave. So these are my two favorite cereals. First is this has a lot of fruits like dry fruits and nuts, and it has a lot of things in it, and it's just a little sweet enough to make it tasty for me, and that it also has that really yummy crunch. I really like that. Oops, oh my god. Okay, so this, and I love to just mix up my breakfast with these are the other cornflakes, so it tastes like almost nothing, just the basic cornflakes, but I love mixing this with this and then have it. I don't know why I do that, but I don't know, for me in my head it gives some different taste. So see, oh my god, shit. I genuinely have filled the whole thing with it. And I like to have it like this. It's yummy. Just a bit of crunch. I like it. And I like to add cold water, cold milk, literally just right out of the fridge. I don't like to warm it up. I don't know why. I just like it this way. For some reason, it's genuinely really yummy. I don't know what is wrong with people today. They are driving like crazy. My quick meal is ready. It's really yummy. Let's have it. I was alongside also shooting for a brand video. I recently got another brand collab. Since 1st of Feb, and my January was actually amazing. I really enjoyed, and it was also my birthday in Jan, so it was like a really fun month for me. So about this is a bamboo bottle. And this is what it looks like. But this is, I mean, let's be practical. No matter how much I love it, but it's way too big to, I carry it. It's not as portable, at least according to me, though it looks pretty, but I am going to use it no matter what. So what I've decided is, I'm going to take this part and make it my flower pot, and you can also separate it, this thing also. Okay, I did that, okay? I tried doing that. See, it happens. And this is my flower pot. This is my vase from now, and I'm going to use it like that. You guys tell me, how was your January? Did you enjoy? What did you do? Because every year, whenever it starts, in the beginning, I'm filled with so much energy. I feel I'm gonna do this, do that, and by the end of that first month, I am back at my real self, which is not productive. But this year, I am trying to be as productive as possible. Talking about productive, I am reading this amazing book. So this is Book Lovers by Emily Henry, and oh my god, if you love reading, just give this book a try and just look at the cover. I was not a reader. I used to read like whenever I get time, but I was not a book lover, kind of a lover. But I think this is making me fall in love with books, and I just want to, I am at that point where I want to finish this book, but slowly. I want to read each and every word. I want to sink it all in nicely, smoothly. I don't know if I'm making any sense, but try this book if you love to read books and novels and stories. This is something you should try. I am all set and ready to leave. I don't know. Cutie बन के जा रही हूँ. This is my prayer. Puffer jacket because बारिश हो सकती है. There's a good chance of it raining. And this is a dress. ये एक scarf मैंने वैसे याद कर लिया है. मेरे बाल एकदम बेकार हो गए, तो I made a ponytail. मेरा एक दोस्त है. Say hi.
हेलो. ये तो एक मिनट.
शर्मा के.
ये सब नहीं चलेगा, ये पैसा लगेगा.
Censored guys, censored.
सेंसर नहीं, पैसा चाहिए.
हाय, ये मेरे बचे हुए 2 फ्रेंड हैं. ये एक ये है. मैंने डिसाइड किया है मैं जिम जाऊंगी. हम जाएंगे. और कौन जाएगा? ये भी जाएगा. जिम तो जाते नहीं है, इनको मैं कॉल कर करके परेशान हो जाती हूँ.
खुद कमिट करती और खुद ही नहीं आते।
नहीं भाई मैं आऊंगी अब, मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया, फिट होना है अब। मुझे भी झूलना है इसमें, बचपन का समय हमारा मिक्की माउस वाला होता था, इनका ये वाला।
आई थिंक उधर एक हमने तुम लोग ने भी देखा, एक गंजा करके होता है, गाता रहता है
किधर?
अपने
ईडन पे?
ईडन पे। भाई उसको लिटरली मैं, वो हमसे अच्छा रहता है, वेट्रोस में शॉपिंग करता है। एक दिन जा रहा हूँ कॉस्टा में कॉफी पी रहा है, बोल रहा है भाई ये पार्ट टाइम क्या, पार्ट टाइम भिखारी है।
मैं हम यही कर लेते हैं
भाई वो बता रहा हूँ, वो उसका काम ही।
गौर से देखिए भिखारी के पैसों पे नजर है इसकी। आगे
भूल गया मैंने। ये तो प्रेजेंटेशन अच्छा, इससे पीछे की स्टोरी डलेगा या म्यूजिक डलेगा, ला 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 ऐसे।
हाँ।
ये रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है।
कैमरा ध्यान रखना, वो गिर
हाँ तो ठीक है ना।
हेलो गाइस,
अभी मैं कंटेंट दूंगा।
खड़ा हूँ
देखो
बचा के भाग जाऊंगा। ड्राइवर आएगा अंकल।
चल इसी को रोस्ट करते, फिर उन्हें डालेगी कुछ। किलो दिमाग से।
ऐसे दोस्त हैं मेरे।
तू रेफरेंस देने वाली थी ना। हट तो उसको जाने दे।
शूज पहना है। हमारे लड़के हमसे आगे चल रहे हैं, मगर जस्ट लुक एट द स्ट्रीट, इतनी गाड़ी लगी है। ये बिल्डिंग भी बहुत अच्छी लगती है। गाइस फ्लावर्स दिला दो कोई तो प्लीज, फ्लावर्स।
चल एक साथ कर लेते हैं। क्या बोलता है? अगले मेरा भी कुछ।
हम वॉशरूम जाने कहीं तो आए, चॉकलेट लैंड में घुस गए यार, कितना प्यारा है ना। पर बहुत महंगा है, बहुत ज़्यादा महंगा है। देखे गौर से देखे इस आदमी को, मेरा ही तो है कि बस यहाँ से बस हमें इनसे हफ्ता अपना क्या लेना होगी, प्रॉफिट लेने होंगे बस। लड़की का चक्कर बाबू भैया, लड़की का चक्कर। वो बेचारा शर्मा रहा है लड़की के साथ। ब्रेक पे आए हैं हम। इन सबने आइल्स किया है, इनसे एक शब्द नहीं पढ़ा जा रहा, क्या लिखा हुआ है। Just got home. It's literally 1:44 right now and I'm so tired and हम लोगों को सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी घर पहुंचने की हो रही थी rather than that we had a really fun enjoyable day because सब लोग बहुत ज़्यादा थके थे and I have almost lost my voice क्योंकि हमने बहुत चीखा चिल्लाया, we enjoyed though the lightings were not like कुछ ज़्यादा ही अलग, it was not like that but few moments बहुत ज़्यादा amazing थे, like the balloon one, I love the balloon one and the bathtub lighting so much, it was actually very cool। बाकी सब तो ठीक है, it was just anyway, nothing too great about that but we are so tired, it was such a long day but a really good one and trust me हमने 4 बसेस चेंज करके करी हैं because sometimes it just पूरा वन रूट एक बस या 2 बस से कवर नहीं होता, तो दैट्स सो हेक्टिक ऑनेस्टली. बट व्हेन यू हैव रियली गुड ग्रुप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स, आपका सफ़र इंग्लिश वाला सफ़र नहीं हिंदी वाला सफ़र बन जाता है. आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल फॉर माई फ्रेंड्स. सो या, ऑन दैट नोट आई एम गोना एंड दिस वीडियो right here, and I hope you enjoy the vlog so much because I had a great day. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. And you must also follow me on my Instagram handle, kritika_. This is what my Instagram handle looks like. I am a fashion content creator along with beauty and lifestyle. So you must follow me there. Until then, bye.